Okay. Alright, so my Lyft comes in about 5 minutes, and I'm literally in a shop by some dogs. They gonna be tripping, but I'm gonna try to see if I can sneak in this little sweet potato pie right here. Okay. It's supposed to be vegan. All this, hold on. Because it is from the Slutty Vegan, aka Slutty Vegan. You heard me. And I'm a hand sanitizer it up. It's okay. They want some of this pie, this sweet potato pie, but they can't. Alright, y'all. We're gonna see if it's delicious. You heard me. Okay. Bite up in there. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is not gonna make it. I put the crumbs on the ground, honey. I don't want to do it, but I got it. Put all my trash right here in this bag when I'm done. You can't have it. It's okay. If I knew your owner, I would have threw you a piece because it's just good. I know you're hearing a lot in the background, but if you're hearing like a parade, that is the Slutty Vegan in the background getting it. They was jamming when I pulled up, honey. Look. That sweet potato pie did not taste like it was vegan. It tastes like somebody grandmama made it. I don't know what they got in their food, but yes, it's worth it. Oh my god. I'm stretching it out for it. Lord knows. When I eat this mukbang tonight, honey, it's gonna be well deserved. Okay, that sweet potato pie made me feel like, you know what I'm saying? And I don't even feel like that all the time. Thank goodness this food was delicious, cause let me tell you something. They need to put a Slutty Vegan in every surrounding city in Atlanta, cause I travel about 30 minutes from my hotel for it. Y'all, it was delicious, and I ain't even gotten to the main pieces. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even get to the burgers. Dog. But I'm gonna put my stuff up because my lift's gonna be here any minute. Bye.